The world is mourning the sudden loss of basketball icon Kobe Bryant. The 41-year-old was one of 5 people killed in a helicopter crash near Calabasas, California on January 26th, NBC News has confirmed. A rep for Kobe confirmed to TMZ Sports that his 13-year-old daughter Gianna also perished in the crash. Kobe was an NBA legend, and just one day before his death, LeBron James had paid special tribute to him and his impact on the game. Kobe was number 3 on the NBA's list of all-time top scorers, but LeBron surpassed him during the Lakers game against the Philadelphia 76ers on Saturday night. LeBron knew he'd be taking Kobe's spot, and he wrote "Mamba for Life" on his sneakers to recognize the legend. Kobe celebrated LeBron's achievement with love, tweeting, "Continuing to move the game forward at King James. Much respect, my brother." Kobe also wrote on Instagram, "On to number 2, King James. Keep growing the game and charting the path for the next." Kobe also showed love for LeBron in an interview with the Los Angeles Times earlier this month. He said, quote, "I'm so happy for Bron, all he's accomplished and continues to accomplish. He's been great."